Tap on the main menu on the left of the screen and select Manage Wallets. From the Add Wallet drop-down arrow, select your mobile money account. Then type in your mobile money account number, including the country code. This is your phone number. Fill in your name and press Request OTP SMS. You will receive an SMS with a one-time password. Go back to your screen and enter the 5-digit password, then press Enter OTP. Now your wallet has been set up and you can begin to transfer money. From the main menu, tap Pay Now. In the new window, type in the mobile money number you wish to transfer money to. Type in the amount and the short message and press Pay Now. You will receive confirmation both within the app as well as an SMS from your provider. A new topic will automatically be created with the information about the money transfer.